CVE 2025-47912 is a critical parsing vulnerability in the Go standard library's net.url package. It allows specially crafted URLs with non-IPv6 values inside square brackets to bypass input validation and may lead to remote code execution or security bypasses in applications using vulnerable versions. Affected component Go standard library package net URL. Affected versions annual release earlier than 1.24.8 and 1.25.0 up to but not including 1.252. Go maintainers released patches in Go 1.24.8 and Go 1.25.2. Major downstream distributions such as OpenSUSE have issued updated packages that address this issue along with other security fixes. CVE 1286, improper validation of syntactic correctness of input. The net URL parse function fails to enforce RFC 3986's rule that only IPv6 addresses are allowed within square brackets. Instead, it accepts IPv4 addresses or host names in brackets, creating opportunities for unexpected behavior and potentially remote code execution in client or server code. Under RFC 3986, square brackets in the host component of a URL indicate an IPv6 literal, for example, HTTP JDCD. The net's real parse implementation did not check that bracketed values were valid IPv6 addresses. Attackers can craft URLs like http://example.com http or http r192.168.0.1 to bypass filters or trigger parsing logic not intended for host names. In some contexts, this can lead to uncontrolled memory access or logic errors resulting in remote code execution. The issue was publicly disclosed on 29th of October 2025 and patched on 30th of October. Go 124.8 and Go 125.2. All users of Go who rely on the net.url package should upgrade immediately to Go 1.24.8 or Go 125.2 or later. Apply vendor and distribution patches. OpenSUSE has released updates addressing this and other vulnerabilities. Review any URL handling code for assumptions about bracketed host names, and consider adding additional validation or firewall rules to mitigate potential exploitation until systems are fully patched.